The former Secretary General of the ruling NRM, John Patrick Amama Mbabazi, who early this week broke the silence to contest against the party chairman and subsequently for the presidency of the country on Thursday this week, shared with the Electoral Commission his campaign consultation strategy. His campaign consultation strategy letter to the Electoral Commission chairman has since generated controversies, with some legal brains faulting. However, the government Attorney General Fred Ruhindi says Mbabazi's campaign strategy letter to the Electoral Commission has no legal implication.
A presidential aspirant can consult his supporters. For instance, if that presidential aspirant is making a manifesto, okay, is making strategies for being elected, can consult his supporters.
But the ruling NRM Party Secretary General Justine Kasule Lumumba holds a different legal opinion, pointing to misinterpretation of the law for independent aspirants to suit his interest.
The way what he's doing should be done by an independent, because when they say in a political that in the presidential election law is that when they say that the candidate should present a manifesto and colors, so you either present them as a candidate as a party, or you present them as an individual. So for him to write that he's going to do consultation, yes, he's according to the practice in political parties, he's not yet a candidate of any political party.
With this legal technicality, what challenge does it pose to the Electoral Commission?
The only question that still bothers me is, if you are a candidate aspiring through a party, okay, say you are aspiring presidential candidate through DP, through UPC, through NRM as a party. My understanding is that in order to go out to meet the general public as an aspirant of a party, the party must be in the know. The party should really release you to go and do that.
We are in a multi-party dispensation, so there are procedures that have to be followed by those who want to be candidates in parties and those who want to be the candidates as independents. So if you observe the letter which Honorable Amama Mbabazi, first of all, as a NRM, SEC has not yet given us guidelines for primaries and also for elections of structures.
Despite of this, Lumumba says the declaration of Mbabazi, a former Secretary General of the party, to contest against incumbent Museveni for the highest position within the party structure poses no challenge to her office.
No, there is no challenge that it poses to me. It instead empowers me and makes me a very powerful Secretary General when two big weights come up to contest.
In February 2014, the political organ of the ruling party, the NRM caucus, convened at the National Leadership Institute in Chankwanzi and declared incumbent Museveni as the sole candidate of the party in the 2016 presidential polls. This position caused controversies within the party structures and led to the summoning of the supreme organ of the party, the National Executive Committee, NEC, in December 2014, which ended up mysteriously ending the reign of Mbabazi as the Secretary General of the party and partially concurred with caucus position of sole candidature. However, speaking to WBS, Kasule Lumumba denied that NEC, neither SEC, have ever endorsed Museveni as a sole candidate.
SEC has never made any has never taken a decision to recommend any names to NEC. NEC has never taken a decision to recommend names to National Conference. That was an expression of the caucus.
Apparently, Mbabazi is out of the country on a special mission to solicit for financial support for his presidential bid, as well as convincing the international community to accept his Change Uganda agenda. Timothy Sibasi, WBS Television, Parliament.